guys, before we get into this video, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give it a huge thumbs up, and subscribe, and you could be part of the Love family. And also share this video with your other friends, and make them subscribe, because I need more subscribers. So let's get right into this video. So first, when we start at the front door, we see Beware Haunted House. And then next, when you come in, oh, don't mind my case over there. Is it blurry? Nope. Okay. Now next, what you see is this little guy. And then next, over here on top, we see this bat. He's been spinning. I don't know how or why. So that's all for the kitchen. And then next, when you walk in, you see this ghost. He's nice. And then next, what you see is spider, and then a spider web, and then a tiny little spider. Next, you see this ghost, and then you see the pencil. And then there's little skeletons. And that's not part, but this is a skelly. He dances. He moves in every different pose every single day. And then you see these baskets. And then you see these ones over here. They're full of red and blue eyeballs. And then over here you see window stickers. There's bat, monsters, pumpkins like Boo, and there's kettle, and there's candy corn, and there's a bat. And then I DIY'd this part. They're little skulls from over there, the tinsel. I DIY'd this. I just taped them on around the Happy Halloween. And then there's this, there's Halloween and Happy. And then there's a witch hat. And then I DIY'd this part too. They're eyeballs, extra eyeballs. Some of them fell off. And then there's a red one. And then there's a haunted house. Ghost, bats, and a moon. And then this, me and my brother did. That one was me. And then that one was me, and the other one was my brother. So this one we both did. It's a pumpkin, a spider, pumpkin, leaves, pumpkin, spider. And then no. And then we got a witch in a cave, and that. And by the way, I got this all at Dollar Tree. She's a witch. Her ball lights up, but I didn't get batteries for her yet. And she's a witch, and she's in a cage because she's evil, and witches like being in caves. And then we got spider webs and a pumpkin. This is a very short video. My second video, actually. I made one about bullying. Yeah, so watch that one after. This reef was a little bit too boring, so I added some spider webs, spiders too. And then it's so realistic, a real fly flew in it, and it couldn't get out. And then by Bill, my fish. Can you see him? Can you see him? The lighting's so bad. Why is the lighting so bad? Then we got Bill's tank, and then Bill's my betta fish. He's a red betta fish. Can you see him? No. Skull. And then that's all. Guys, peace out.